aboard a cruise ship. Martin Michaels has a university degree in public relations, and now he is a social director on a cruise ship. He visits many scenic ports and meets lots of fascinating people. Martin is a highly motivated, energetic, outgoing, and friendly person. On the ship, Martin works 7 days a week, 8 to 14 hours a day. His job is to provide social activities for passengers. He is also responsible for ensuring that passengers have a positive view of the cruise line and its services. He helps to organize all kinds of events, such as sports activities and excursions at the ports they visit. Martin likes to work with the public, but one negative thing about the job is that crew members do not have any free time for themselves.